In the previous lecture, we have seen the chemical properties of glucose. Now we are going to study the cyclic structure of glucose. We observe structure first, that is open chain structure of glucose. It contains first carbon, double bond O and single bond H. Second carbon attach H and OH. Third carbon attach HO and H. Fourth carbon attach H and OH. Fifth carbon attach H and OH. And last sixth carbon attach CH2OH. Carbon 1 associated with carbon 5 through oxygen bond is going to form or shown two different structures which are in equilibrium. One is structure second, that is a alpha D glucopyranose, and another structure third, that is a beta D glucopyranose. The ring of the cyclic structure of glucose contains 5 carbons and 1 oxygen. Therefore, it is a 6-membered ring. It is called as pyranose structure in analog with the 6-membered heterocyclic compound pyran, that is a structure fourth. Hence, glucose is also called as glucopyranose. In this video, we are going to study how we can write Haworth projection formula from the Fischer projection formula. First, we observe D-glucose. In that case, the substituent that are on the right hand side, those are OH, H, OH and OH. The left hand side, those are H, OH, H and H. First, draw the hexagon with its oxygen atom at upper right hand side. The terminal CH2OH group is always placed above the plane of the hexagonal ring. Then place all the group which are present on the left hand side in Fischer projection formula above the plane of the hexagonal ring, and place all group which are present on the right hand side in Fischer projection formula below the plane of the hexagonal ring. In this way, Fischer projection formula of glucose convert into Haworth projection formula. We are going to discuss anomers. Anomers are the subtype of stereochemistry of carbohydrates. In this video, we observed cyclic structure of glucose. When put the number of carbon, then carbon 1 is called as anomeric carbon. There are two diastereomers are called anomer. First one alpha anomer, second one beta anomer. The alpha anomer has its anomeric hydroxyl group below the plane of the hexagonal ring, and the beta anomer has its anomeric hydroxyl group above the plane of the hexagonal ring. In this video, we learn about structure of fructose. Fructose has molecular formula C6H12O6. It is sweeter than glucose and sucrose. It contains ketonic functional group at carbon number 2. It is a levorotatory compound. First, we observe open chain structure of fructose. CH2OH, that is the first carbon atom. Second carbon double bond O. Third carbon attach HO and H. Fourth carbon attach H and OH. Fifth carbon atom attach H and OH, and last sixth carbon atom, that is a CH2OH. When C2, that is a keto group associated with C5 through oxygen bond, is going to form two different structures which are in equilibrium. One is alpha D fructofuranose and another is beta D fructofuranose. The ring of the cyclic structure of fructose contains 4 carbons and 1 oxygen. It is a 5-membered ring. Therefore, it is called as furanose structure. Thanks for watching.